I'm writing a paper on sports issues for a class in English 1102. So, the first place I look for information is on the internet because it has valid sources and many options I can look at. So, just open this up. My topics over concussions for football. I begin the research process by going over certain articles and personal essays that are given, and I just skim over the sources and look for keywords that pop out to me, and then depending on what's in front of me, I use that towards my essay. And then when I see something that sticks out to me, I'll usually do an overview of all the information I'm looking at. So I'll copy and paste the information from different sources on just the one big page. So I'll take one source that sticks out to me, and then if I don't find anything else that looks like anything I'll talk about, I'll go to another page. And then I'll look for another source. Basically what I'm doing here is just putting all my sources on one page, just so I can be able to save it to one document, and if I need to come back and look at it, I can. And I make sure I put the link under it just in case I want to go back to it. Forgot to do that. And this is just an easier way I can keep up with my sources. And also it's a lot easier to find a way to locate my sources other than just trying to find a certain online page or what somebody's trying to say. I can just have it in one document. And then after finding a certain amount of sources, I'll usually go to the library or um, a newspaper or just any other source that deals with my topic, and then I'll do basically the same concept except I'll have to write down my information, and I'll have to save that book or newspaper I'm looking at, and I have to make sure that I don't lose it or misplace it, because if I like one of the sources or information that comes out of the certain source, then I can use it in my paper. And that's how I look at my research for my paper.